Different situations call for different moves, and when it comes to receiving balls on the ground, it helps to have a couple tricks up your sleeve. Here's how to receive the ball on the ground using the outside and sole of the foot. If a defender is close, receiving the ball with the outside of the foot enables you to turn the ball quickly and get away. It starts with turning the toes in and the top of the foot out to face the oncoming ball, watching it onto the foot and cushioning it as it arrives to absorb the ball's speed. This helps you control the ball, which is important when you need to escape in a hurry. Receiving it with the sole of the foot is another option and gives you even more control of the ball by stopping it in its tracks. It's a little like stretching your calf, pointing the toes of the receiving foot up and at an angle before coming down on the ball with the bottom of the foot to wedge it into the ground. Now that's thinking on your toes.